Honestly, I just need to know your goals. I talk to so many young adults, second and third year college students, graduates with degrees who just feel underpaid and caught in a 9 to 5 rat race. I speak to so many older adults who have just been in the same role for years and years and just can't seem to get ahead. Whether it be an 18-year-old kid who wants to skip college and earn money right away, a college student who has an hourly job and just can't balance, the hours and hours of low pay work combined with college coursework, or the college graduate who picked up a job in the field of their degree that doesn't pay much, right? Or someone who has just been working the same job for years and years and just can't seem to get ahead because the money just isn't enough. Or even the person with a decent job who just wants to go into business for his or herself, maybe tired of having a boss, maybe wants to set his or her own hours, maybe likes his or her job but wants more money. No matter who you are or where you are in your personal and or financial journey, if your goal is to figure out a way to earn more money, I can teach you exactly how to do that through a very simple process: flipping cars for profit. And when I say earn more money, I'm not referring to a small amount like an extra $100 or $200, per week. I am referring to an additional large sum of money, an extra $1,500 to $10,000 per week, depending on how much time you have and how much time you're looking to give and how many deals you're looking to acquire weekly. For the purposes of this video, I just want to encourage you and inspire confidence in you that if your goal is to earn the extra 4 figures minimum this week, this weekend, or even today, pay attention to this channel, guys. Watch every video and take the actions that I'm talking about, right? I am providing the information that will get you ahead. I am providing the information where you can make that extra 4 figures right away, okay? The ball is in your court now, okay, guys? Click the link in the description and learn how to earn that extra 4 figures right away. Alrighty, guys? I'm not just saying this just to get clicks and likes on these videos. I'm saying this because I truly want to help you, and I'm truly providing the information where you can go out and earn this extra income for yourself right away, okay? I was just like you at one point, struggling to get ahead, struggling to afford all my bills and responsibilities and still have money left over for myself. An hourly job that paid little, and I did not enjoy it. I know how it feels. I know the sense of urgency that you must feel to get out of the financial reality that you are currently living in right now. Allow me to teach you and guide you on your way to financial freedom, and therefore the more personal freedom that you acquire. I can teach you step by step how to buy and sell cars for profit, and I can promise you, if you follow my system, you will earn an extra 4 figures right away. It is not rocket science, and once you have flipped your first car, you can repeat the process again and again and again. I want this for you. I want you to strive and thrive. So pay attention, guys. Take action and go earn that extra 4 figures as soon as possible. The money is in the buy and not the sell. So the sooner you can buy your first vehicle to flip, the sooner you can earn your first 4-figure profit. Okay, guys? Let's get started right away. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Check out the description. Check out the link in the description. The ball is in your court now. Let's make money right away, and I will see you guys in the next video.